Partnership.
What's that mean? Partnership. You just told me joint venture cannot be a partnership. What's that mean? Why they have written partnership? Just think about it. I mean, joint venture is not a partnership, but book is saying it's a partnership.
Because two people involved.
So it means so it means we are partnership. There is a partnership, right? It means, just hold on. Joint venture, general principle is for joint venture, she is responsible for his own. I would be responsible for my own. We both are not responsible for each other. I have okay, it's done. The second thing, I have a partnership with this guy. Okay. She has a partnership with this guy. So there are two partnerships. So can two partnership can into be joint venture?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
there was an answer. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm a single guy. I'm an individual. She is individual. We can set up business as a joint venture. We are not responsible. The second question, I have a partnership, sir, with three people. You have a partnership with three people. Can we come into joint venture? Yes, we can do it.
But these two groups won't be liable for each other's
No, one group is different. One group is different. But we are partners. If I'm gonna do the mistake, all partners would be responsible. If she gonna do mistake, all responsible she is responsible for all
her
partners. But we both are not responsible, which is called joint venture. This is a big advantage of joint venture. Okay, joint ventures. The second one is
An association of two or more persons for a limited purpose without the participants becoming partners.
see without becoming a partners. So two or one or more person or two or more person. You are, you got it? Second. The third one is
Any combination of resources by two or more persons in order to conduct a commercial venture jointly under agreed upon rules.
okay. One difference between partnership and joint venture. One difference. Okay, I need your eye contact. I want to become a partners. Whether written agreement is there should be a written agreement to set up a partnership. Written agreement.
Yes.
No.
It can be even verbal.
Verbal. Conduct of the parties is an example. Conduct of the parties. I do not have any written verbal agreement with Mr. Rahul. He is my partner. Rahul, do we have any written agreement?
No.
It means we are partners. It means it's a verbal agreement. So can we set up joint venture without a written agreement?
No.
No.
It has to be in writing.
It has to be in writing. So difference between to set up a partnership. Okay, we gonna start partnership. Oral agreement is done. It will exist. But to set up a joint venture, it has to be a written agreement. Can you read next one?
Whatever the relationship among them, in most cases, the co-venturers should have a written agreement setting out the rules by which
See,
the
written agreement should mean must. May mean
Maybe or may not.
may or may not. If wording of the act is may, it means you have discretionary power. You may set up partnership to written agreement. May mean if I'm not gonna have a written agreement, there is no partner. You got it? May mean either way you can go. Should or must you have to do. So joint venture is we clear from the joint venture. Joint venture we have to, in order to establish joint venture, first step is a written agreement. To set up the partnership, written agreement could be a conduct of the parties, right? Partnership. Okay. The second is we are partners, you are partners, both partnership go into joint venture. Yes. Ultimate, you are responsible for your own, we are responsible for our own. This is called joint venture. One or two questions gonna come from joint venture. Okay, jump into again partnership. Mr. Kashif, Ali, I am interested to set up partnership. Okay, I'm not interested to set up in sole proprietorship because unlimited liability. I do not want to reduce my unlimited liability. I'm not happy with become a owner of the corporation because I do not have money. How can I become owner of the corporation to become owner of the shareholder? How can I become a owner of the shareholder? I do not have money. I do not have property because my property is not eligible. I'm not employee. There is no past services. Joint venture, I'm not interested at all in joint venture. Okay. Licensee and franchisor, I'm not interested at all. So I'm interested to set up my business as a partnership. She's my partner. I'm his partner. We both are partners. General principle is that just think about it. We have a business. One sign of the partner can bind rest of the partner, yes or no. Just think about it. She's my partner. I'm her partner. You are also my partner. We have a business. She's going somewhere, making a contract. Can one partner, we rest of the two people, we did not make a signature on the contract. Whether you made a contract, whether rest of the partners are liable for partnership is a binding contract or not.
Depends if you have an agreement between the partners that if only one partner signs, that it will be.
No, we have to go for default judgment. If we're gonna agree, agreement is different. Whole question would be default judgment. Default judgment mean there is no express provision in the agreement. So general principle is that one action of the
One party, then it should be responsible.
rest of the, there was a binding contract. What happened? Exam question. What happened? We have a normal course of business. We have a normal course of business selling cell phone, buying cell phone. We have a partnership, you, me and you. We have a normal course of business to buying cell phone, taking cell phone. One action of the partners bind rest of the partners. The second question, she make a contract, thousands of bottles she gonna buy for next 1 year for a bottle of water. Okay, you made a contract. Of course, we are responsible. Now I am very upset. You know, ma'am, you are partner. We have a normal course of business, buying cell phone, selling cell phone. Why did you do? I'm very upset. I told you I'm very upset. Why did you do, man? Why did you do? We have a normal course of business, buying cell phone, selling cell phone. This is unusual course of business. Whether in unusual course of business, partners are responsible or not. Because if partners, one partner is doing normal course of business, rest of the partner are responsible. Contract is a binding. If one partner is doing unusual course of business, is not a binding contract at all.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
Sir, here, how are we going to establish that if there is not a partnership, a written partnership agreement in place, then how are we going to establish that first, whether there was a partnership, and second, whether the other partner was dealing in unusual course of business?
Okay. Okay, just think about it. I have a usual course of business. Just I need your eye contact. Now I need your usual course. Okay, how are we gonna set up? Conduct of the parties. So how, without any written agreement, how we gonna determine? Judge will define, because conduct of the parties. Rahul is teaching professional responsibility. Rahul is teaching foundation. Okay. I am teaching constitution, criminal and admin. Still we are partners. So if any dispute has been arisen, any dispute has arisen, so conduct of the parties. Can you claim you are my partner? Can you claim you are my partner? Can you claim you are my partner? There is no partner agreement. How can Mr. Rahul claim he is my partner? Judge will decide conduct of the parties. Conduct of the parties is, we have a common students, common view to profit. Common view, he has less profit, he has less whatever, I have more percentages. He has a less percentages. I would explain. You got it, my friend?
Yes, sir. Thank you for clarification.
In next chapter, I'm going to explain